We out here turned up, nigga. About to call my nigga E22. Turn up, nigga, for the block, nigga. That's how we fucking gonna do this shit, nigga. I need a dunk, nigga. Word. And we doing hoverboard and go wrong. Right here on 9th. Hoverboard and go wrong. Starring
your boy.
and starring Mo. And we got 2 hoverboards. We had, and starring Gracie. Please, Gracie, don't fall. Please, Gracie, don't fall. Too pretty to fall. We don't need that on YouTube.
Oh, nah. Get up, both of y'all get up.
Come up with something, baby.
Both of y'all get up, both of y'all get up right now.
Don't do it. They said don't do it.
Down, Superman down.
Superman now. Nigga said Superman now. Hold up, I gotta get a drink for this one. He about to Superman now. I gotta get a drink for this one. The ambulance coming already. The fire truck is coming already. Oh no. Uh-oh, it's hard to go. Uh-oh. He could be the first to ever do it. Uh-oh, he's doing it, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh! It's lit. Oh! Yo! The hoverboard goes wrong on 9th, I'm telling you. Oh.